couple ways to figure out the content that should go on every page. One is the questions buyers actually ask, grouped by theme. And the reason why this is important is because if people are talking about and wondering about processing capabilities, cost, material, industries, and so on, you want to have that content on your page. And one way to do this would be, as an example, if we look at a search for laser cutting surface, and I scroll down here, there's this people also ask section. The reason why this is so critical here is this gives you exact information about what people are already typing. Now you can see here, there's 4 listed, but to get more, you can click on this arrow and then you click it again. And now you can see we had 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 6. And you can do it again. Click the same one and more keep showing up. You can click on different ones and more keep showing up. So then this gives you a huge list of what people are actually typing and searching. And this is a very nice trick to build content on your website or on any given page about that specific topic that you know people are already questioning and wondering about. If you want the full strategy for how to build this out completely for your website, the first link in the description has everything you need. Complete keyword list, all recommended pages to build, and the content prompt I use. Plus, it's specific to metal fabrication. Hope it helps.